Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix time limit reached on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls of your iPhone, just go to your home screen and open settings. In settings, just tap on screen time, then tap on app limits. Now just tap on the name of the apps which are time limited. Then tap on time, and from here you can increase the time duration of the apps. Or you can disable this toggle and you will disable the time limitation of the apps. And if you want to delete the time limitation which is set on your iPhone, just scroll down and tap on delete limit. Then select delete limit. And once you do that, you will remove the time limits on the apps of your iPhone. But if this did not fix your issue, then go back to the main settings page. Now in the main settings page, just tap on general, and in general you will find the option of date and time. Just tap on it, and from here just make sure that the date and time are correct. If they are not correct, just tap on them and you can change the date and time from here. Just like that. Or you can enable set automatically and it will set the date and time automatically on your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. And this is how you can fix time limit reached on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.